Welcome to our English lesson. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Listen carefully.
The Serenity of My Garden. I have always felt a deep connection with nature, and my garden is my favorite place to find peace and relaxation. My garden is not very large, but it is filled with beauty and tranquility that soothes my mind and spirit. Every morning, I step outside and am greeted by the gentle warmth of the rising sun. The soft light filters through the leaves of the tall trees, and the sweet sound of birds singing creates a peaceful melody. In these quiet moments, I feel calm and ready to start my day. In my garden, I have planted a variety of colorful flowers that bloom in different seasons. I nurture roses, daisies, and tulips, each with its unique color and delicate scent. I spend time every day watering the plants and carefully removing any weeds that try to grow among them. Watching the garden change with the seasons brings me great joy. In spring, the garden bursts with fresh, vibrant life. In summer, it becomes lush and green. In autumn, the leaves change to shades of red, orange, and yellow. And in winter, the garden rests quietly, covered with a soft blanket of frost, waiting for the warmth of spring. There is a small wooden bench in one quiet corner of my garden, and it is my favorite spot. I often sit there with a warm cup of tea and a good book, enjoying the gentle rustle of the leaves and the fresh, clean air. Sitting on that bench, I feel that all my worries melt away. I take a moment to reflect on my day, plan for the future, or simply appreciate the beauty around me. The peaceful atmosphere of my garden always inspires creativity and a sense of well-being. Sometimes I work in my garden as well. I love planting new seeds, pruning old bushes, and watching new life emerge from the soil. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It is a way for me to connect with the earth. When I dig my hands into the rich soil and feel its texture, I experience a deep sense of accomplishment and happiness. I also enjoy the small wonders that nature offers: a butterfly fluttering by, a bee gently collecting nectar, or even the playful dance of the wind among the plants. These simple moments remind me that life is full of beauty and small miracles. In the evenings, as the sun sets and the sky turns soft shades of pink and purple, my garden takes on a magical quality. The fading light makes the colors of the flowers appear even more gentle, and a peaceful calm settles over everything. I often take a slow walk along the garden path at dusk, listening to the soothing sounds of nature. These moments help me relax after a busy day and prepare for a restful night. For me, my garden is not just a collection of plants. It is a sanctuary, a place of serenity and joy, where I can recharge, reflect, and simply be. Every day, I feel grateful for the warmth and beauty that my garden brings into my life, and I cherish every moment spent there.
Interesting vocabulary and expressions? Before we practice our speaking skills, let's learn interesting English words from the story we've just covered to improve your English.
Tranquility means a state of calm and peacefulness. Example: sitting in my garden at dawn fills me with a sense of tranquility that helps me start the day. Nurture means to care for and help something grow or develop. Example: I nurture my flowers every day by watering them and removing any weeds. Vibrant means full of energy and life, bright and striking in color. Example: in spring, the garden bursts with vibrant colors as the flowers bloom. Weeds means unwanted plants that grow among desired plants. Example: I spend some time each day pulling weeds so that my garden remains neat and healthy. Rustle means a soft, fluttering sound, like that of leaves or paper. Example: the gentle rustle of the leaves in the wind creates a soothing background sound in my garden. Reflect means to think deeply or carefully about something. Example: before going to bed, I like to reflect on the small joys of my day in the quiet of my garden. Prune means to trim a plant by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems. Example: every week, I prune the bushes in my garden to encourage new growth. Texture means the feel, appearance, or consistency of a surface or substance. Example: I love the soft texture of the fresh soil when I plant new seeds in my garden. Miracle means an extraordinary and welcome event that is hard to explain. A wonderful occurrence. Example: seeing a butterfly flutter among the flowers feels like a little miracle in my garden. Sanctuary means a place of refuge or safety where one feels protected and at peace. Example: my garden is a sanctuary where I can relax, recharge, and escape from the busy world.
Great job on finishing today's English lesson. Keep practicing because every bit of effort counts towards becoming fluent in English. Thanks for joining us today. Please remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.